New season, Christmas, happy days for all of us here.
Thank you, Judge, and good morning, Judge, and best wishes for the new year. My Lord, the accused are here, I'm told. It's only accused number one, Mr. Sibia, who's not yet here. He's detained at Monabi facility.
Okay.
We haven't been apprised of the reason for not being brought to court as yet. But yeah, they are busy following up. He should be here any moment. The other accused are still downstairs.
Oh, okay. We'll have to wait then.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. In compliments of the new year, the new season, and you have the papers.
Thanks.
I can see you looking very, very bubbly. You're looking bubbly.
Bubbly?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you expect when I'm away from the stress of this court?
Thank you, Mother. There is something that we would wish to bring to the attention of the court, but I think it would just be appropriate if we did that in chambers. While we're waiting for the accused to be here.
Are your colleagues aware of that?
I haven't appraised them as yet, my lord. I just arrived here, but I've informed my colleagues in the defense. I haven't yet informed them.
So, should we adjourn?
I don't think there will be any problem, my lord, if you see the current chambers.
This would fall in with the suggestion of Advocate Mnisi.
Okay, let's go then.
All right.